Hello my friends, in this video I want to show you how to create a new Microsoft account and connect it to Windows. Before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like and comment as well. Let's get it started. Open Google Chrome browser and go to the Microsoft.com. Click on Sign In button. Click on Create One. Enter your email address, or by clicking on Get a new email address, you can create an Outlook email address easily. I enter my Gmail address. Click Next. Create a password for your Microsoft account. By clicking on Show Password button, you can check your password. Click Next. Enter your first name and last name. Choose your country and enter your birth date. A verification code will be sent to your email address, which you must enter here. I enter to my Gmail and enter the code. If you don't want to receive promotional emails and news from Microsoft, uncheck this option. In this page, you should prove you are not a robot. Click Next. Your account created successfully. Now, you can use it on your Windows. Open Settings. Go to the Accounts. Click on Your Info. Here, click on Sign In with a Microsoft account instead. Enter your email address which you created a Microsoft account with it. Click Next. Enter your account password and click Sign In. If your Windows has a password, enter your Windows password here. Otherwise, click on Next. As you can see, Microsoft asks you to create a PIN for your Windows account. Enter a PIN and repeat it. As you can see, my Microsoft account connected to my Windows. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment. Have fun, buddy!